guys, it's Chantel from Essentially Chantel, and today I'm starting a new series called Essential Tips in Under 5 Minutes, and we're starting with lemon because it's in the premium starter kit. Young Living has recently changed what's in the premium starter kit. Although lemon was in it before, we're going to be going through all the oils in this new series about the premium starter kit. So in your premium starter kit, you've got the lemon vitality oil. And what does that mean? It means it has a white label and you can use it to, you can eat it, you can drink it, you can ingest it, basically. We also have the regular lemon essential oil, which has this yellow label, and that just means that you can diffuse it and you can apply it topically. For legal purposes with the FDA, they want things to be labeled differently. But with this particular oil, you can actually use it in all three ways. Use the vitality oil though if you're going to ingest it, and then your lemon oil if you're going to put it on your body or if you're going to diffuse it. Today I am diffusing lemon and lime because lemon and lime essential oil, the two separate oils, because it's kind of cold and dreary here in Michigan today. It's March and I need to feel like summer is around the corner, and so I'm diffusing a little bit of summer today. So what I have discovered about lemon essential oil is that in this 15 milliliter bottle, it takes 75 lemons to the rind of the 75 lemons to make this 15 milliliter bottle. That's kind of crazy. Now, our lemon essential oil is cold pressed from the rinds, and that's why you don't have the acidity issues, because we're not actually using the lemon when we're distilling it. We're using the rind of it, and that's true for all of our essential oils. It helps to support your immune system, your renal system, your respiratory system, and your digestive system. So it's great for a lot of different systems. And then the way that I like to use it, well, there are several ways actually. I like to drink it. Every morning I drink, this is I think about 20 ounces. I drink 20 ounces of room temperature lemon water. You might want to look at the benefits of warm water. I actually prefer cold water, but the benefits for warm or hot water are really stacking up against the cold water. So do your research, look into that. But I love to drink my lemon essential oil water in the morning to get me going, and it's great to support your liver, and it's great for detoxifying your entire body. But I will use 5 drops of lemon vitality essential oil in here, and then because I'm a dental hygienist with a sweet tooth, I also use the sweet leaf sweet drops, and I'll put just a couple. I usually put like about that much in there, 1 vial in there, and I shake it up and then I drink it in the morning. We did some research when we first started getting into essential oils, and we really like the Sweet Leaf company. The way they process their stevia kept it very pure and good for us. So this is the brand that I like. I get both this and that bottle that you saw from Amazon, and so I'll link that in the description box if you're interested. That glass bottle I've had for over 3 years. Now, when you're drinking essential oils, especially the citrus oils, it's really important to make sure that you're drinking out of a glass container, like the one I showed you, because the citrus oils, they will actually eat through plastics. They're so powerful. So make sure you're always drinking with a glass container. My friend, she actually had a plastic container, and then she was drinking grapefruit, and we noticed that it was getting rough around the edges. So it'll take a little bit of time, but it will destroy plastic. We'll buy things from Amazon. I use Ebates. So Ebates is awesome. They give you a certain percentage back of wherever you shop online. I'll put a link for that in the description box as well. And I always use it before I buy anything. And then just so you know, with Amazon, don't put it in your cart, or else they won't give you your 3% or your 2%, whatever it happens to be at that time. Now, the way I like to use, my favorite ways to use lemon essential oil is, of course, drinking it. And then I like to use it to clean out my garbage disposal. You know, the ice will help to clean the blades of your garbage disposal. So I take a handful of ice, I put a few drops of lemon on there, and then I put it in the disposal and I run it a few times, and then it smells so good and it's nice and clean and it's good for the blades. I also use it as part of a seasonal support for my dog Cooper, and that's where I put a few drops of lemon, lavender, and peppermint. I put some fractionated coconut oil and in a roller ball, and then I just roll it on the back of his neck every single day. Really seems to help him. And then I also like to use it in my whites. So I'll put a couple drops of the lemon into the laundry water, and then I put my clothes in, and it helps to keep our whites lighter and brighter. So I hope you learned something. I hope you liked this video. If you did, and you have others on your team who you think would love to learn more about lemon or other essential oils, go ahead and share this video. That's part of my vision for this channel, is for it to support other teams, because it's such a beautiful community, Young Living. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.